So in the current market, there's two most popular methods that you can consider which one is to hire a Shopify expert or agency to work on your store project. Or second is directly upgrade and transition your liquid customization yourself using a third-party app. In the next two parts of our webinar, we will learn the experience shared by the perspective of agency and app provider to gain a deeper understanding regarding the two mentioned methods. So don't go anywhere because the last session will also include the customized case to handle complex scenarios from special business industry and the optimization case studies that help thousands of merchants to improve their checkout process along with their store revenue. For now, let's welcome Mr. Mike Mai from BRS Group, who will continue our webinar discussion from his experience sharing on checkout customization projects. Hi, Mike. Welcome to the webinar.
Yeah, so tiny introduction from Amelia and Quickify. Thanks for today's webinar. So could everybody see my screen sharing? Thank you.
Yes, we can see it clearly.
Yeah. So my presentation today about the journey of transition from Checkout.liquid to Checkout Extensibility from the perspective of agency. So please let me do some short introduction about me. With 20 years in software engineer industry, so now I become sales at BS Group and Maystar. So I would prefer to discuss own practice and let's learn about the process of project management for having best website performance on Shopify. Yeah. So as you know, it's been 1 year since Checkout Extensibility become available for own plus merchant. Therefore, today I would like to sharing some experience, some lesson learned that BS commerce process of implement, not also Checkout Extensibility, but also any Shopify store project. And my presentation will have 3 sections. The first, I will have quick introduce about the process of transition to with any agency, the model that help us completely understand and make success story with our customer. The second, I'm sharing more about detail what we will do and why we need to follow step by step the process. I hope that you could take away on the idea for implement the website with your agency. And the last, I have some analysis as a store owner, why you should need a Shopify service agency like us as your friend and as your success partner. Here is the general transition process with agency that we apply on every project for Shopify, on every customer. Yeah. Why we need this process on checkout extensibility? Because checkout is the most valuable touch point on your customer journey. So you do not want your customer feeling unhappy with some interruption. So we also want your user have wow moment when checking out. And finally, you also want the business objective, reaching the value, reaching the target. So that's why please follow the process carefully with 5 steps. The discovery, the audit, the define, the build, and the optimize. And let me do some detail step by step. The step 1, discovery. In this step, the most important point that we must sharing the objective and requirement together between the store owner and the agency. The question here is, what is the key success factor that suggests from the Shopify upgrade? You want to increase your cart conversion rate so you can capture the customer journey when checking out. Or you want to provide a better user experience with some animation, some highlight branding on the journey of checking out. Or you want to increase the customer loyalty by showing the increasing point per item, or you want to increase average order value. So that you need to implement some upsell and up happiness to your user. And not only the objective, this step, this discovery step, we also want to understand and empathy with the store owner about the needs, the constraints, the counter, and the business model, so that we can avoid investing in solution for the wrong problem, wrong counter, and also identify the most suitable value service. Second step about the audit. Yes, after discovering your objective and what you need, we need to assess carefully on your current technical structure. So with reviewing the existing Checkout.liquid customization, we can understand what we need to build with the checkout extensibility. The result of this step that we could map your Checkout.liquid to checkout extensibility to suit to feature and develop the tools. Step 3, define. In that step, we outline the scope and document every upgrade. This step is very important because we reduce the risk of developer misunderstanding. Therefore, we minimize the risk of implementing something that not fulfilling your real need. So that we ensure that your money, the resource is invested in the scope of optimize and return of investment. Step 4, build. Yes, after clear agreement, what we have to do on the last step. So we will build a draft checkout in the editor, and we also install any necessary application or conducting customer development work. So we also have a full quality process with quality assurance. We have user acceptance test, we have integration, and more because we want the quality. We want that your user journey do not have any interruption when they are checking out. And every experience that you have on the Checkout.liquid must be complete on the checkout extensibility. And the last step, optimize. We complete the upgrade and bring your checkout extensibility to the live environment website. But this step not only going live. Within this step, we also continuously monitor your key performance with some metric and some activity. Here are some sample measurements that we follow after go live the checkout extensibility. We observe that something interrupt your customer action. We could check is it something inconvenient to your user, and could your customer complete the checking out action effort without the speed. And every performance measurement of checking out by observing the user journey. And when having any observation that we will incrementally improving the checkout function on the website, we're back to step 4, step 3, step 2, or even step 1. And this is a repeatable process. We continuous checking and realize the value, and we may come back to other steps to improve the checkout process, improve your customer journey to make more experience, make more happy to your user. Now, so the question here, why you need to working with a Shopify agency like BS Commerce? Because with the sharing about BS Commerce process, I hope that you could take away on the idea of implementation with your website. And if something difficult, my suggestion would be about please call your external resource, a Shopify agency like BS Commerce. And why? Because with 11 years of e-commerce experience, we have many visit patterns for having idea to implement on your website checking out. Because we have many business patterns from other customers, so we can discuss with you about the activity as the best practice from many industry. The second, because we have technical knowledge, it's many experts in many platforms, so we could quickly investigate the problem and having solution, especially in the integration. And the third, because we have a dedicated team with more than 300 developers. So we readiness and always available to support you in own technical program and on business program. And because we have a network of partners, so when we working with agency, you could have solution for own your e-commerce business. For example, you could find from the agency not only technical problem, you could find something about marketing plan, about search engine optimize, about running ads on your website. Yeah. And at the end, your time will be saved and your risk will be reduced when making partner with a Shopify agency. So that's my suggestion why you need a Shopify agency. Here's some success case when following the process I suggested before. Yeah. For example, this is one of our customers, Super Sport from Vietnam, and having problem about poor website performance lead to unsatisfactory customer experience with slow loading time. Yeah. And so we follow with them in 1 month project for enhancing the e-commerce experience. Why we need 1 month? Yeah, because the project follow exactly the process that we mentioned before. The discovery, the audit, the define, the build, and optimize. 1 month because we need time to checking the performance on the website. We need to follow the customer journey, so we observation any interruption or any affect to the experience after the build step. And Mr. Đức Nguyễn from the Super Sport Vietnam give us his appreciation. Thank Mr. Đức Nguyễn with the co-creating value from Super Sport Vietnam. Yeah, and the last one, of course, when joining any webinar, I will have some commit key performance indicator. So ladies and gentlemen, please help by open your phones, scan the code, open our website, and also fill in your contact and requirement. Our business consultant team already reaching to you for having solution with your Shopify website. So you could scan the code or open the link or email, and help me to reaching the key performance indicator. Thanks for your help to complete my key performance indicator. Thank you so much.
Thank you.